So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Scholarship Scout Scholarship Program 2.0 for academic year 26-27. It is again from Body for Study and for children of commercial drivers, that is LMV or HMV and mechanics, up to INR 12,000 grant for students in class 9 to 12. So friends, मुस्कान स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम 2.0 के हम इस वीडियो में एलिजिबिलिटी डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड बेनिफिट्स आज देखेंगे. So without wasting any time, let's start it. So first of all, about the program. The Muskan Scholarship Program 2.0 is an initiative by Volvolin Cummins Private India Limited, that is VCPL, to provide education support to children of commercial travel, that is LMV, HMV, mechanics and students from economically weaker section. So this scholarship eligibility, benefits and documents. So first of all, deadline of this scholarship is 20th August 2026. So before 20 August आपको इस scholarship के लिए अप्लाई कर देना चाहिए अगर आप eligible हो तो. So आप हम eligibility देखेंगे अब. So first eligibility is the students studying in class 9 to 12th from the following states in India are eligible to apply. So students from class 9 to 12th from the states of India, that is Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Tripura, Puducherry, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and West Bengal. So इस स्टेट से आप बिलोंग करते हो फ्रॉम क्लास 9 to 12th, देन आप इस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए एलिजिबल हो. Then the scholarship is open to children of commercial driver, that is including LMV, light motor vehicle, heavy motor vehicle, HMV drivers, children of mechanics and students belonging to EWS, that is economically weaker section category. Then eligibility is the applicants must have secured 60% and above of the previous class. मतलब आपको previous class में 60% से minimum 60% mark होने चाहिए. Then the total annual family income from all sources must not exceed than 8 lakh rupee. मतलब आपका फैमिली इनकम फ्रॉम ऑल सोर्सेज 8 लाख से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. Then children of employees of Wolverine Cummins India Cummins Private Limited, that is VCPL and Body for Study are not eligible. So these are the eligibility of this scholarship. Then now we see the benefits. So benefits is selected students will receive the following benefits. First benefit is scholarship of up to 12,000 based on actual expenses. मतलब इन डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन मतलब आपका जो एक्चुअल एक्सपेंसेस है आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपके जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स के हिसाब से आपको अप टू 12,000 रुपीज़ दिया जाएगा. देन मेंटरशिप भी प्रोवाइड की जाएगी. मेंटरशिप सपोर्ट दैट इज सेशन ऑन रोड सेफ्टी. Then the documents is so proof of identity of the applicants, that is voter ID, driving license or PAN card. Then current year admission proof, that is fee receipt or admission letter or institute identity card or again bona fide certificate. Then signed and stamp original mark sheet of previous class. Then the documents to prove parent profession, choose one. So parent profession choose करने के लिए भी आपको document चाहिए, that is commercial driving license of the parent only for drivers. Then Shramik card, then confirmation from the employer or self declaration letter duly attested by the authority, that is so attested by authority मतलब self declaration letter भी चाहिए, that is attested by authority. Then family income proof, आपका income certificate, that is issued by from anywhere, ग्राम पंचायत like ward councillor or सरपंच or issued by SDM, DMCO, Tehsildar or income tax return. Then bank account detail of the applicants and a recent passport size photograph. So this is the list of the documents that is required for the scholarship, Muskan Scholarship Program 2.0. सो इस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए हमने एलिजिबिलिटी देखी, देन बेनिफिट्स देखे और देन डॉक्यूमेंट लिस्ट भी देखी. सो 20 अगस्त से पहले अगर आप एलिजिबल हो तो आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट स्कॉलरशिप अपडेट के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.